What is the JavaScript temporal dead zone, TDZ? Imagine you're trying to grab a book from a shelf, but the book isn't there yet. That's kind of what happens with variables in JavaScript when you use let or const before declaring them. The JavaScript temporal dead zone is the time period from when you enter a block of code until you declare and initialize a variable with let or const. During this time, the variable exists in memory but you cannot access it. If you try to use it before declaration, JavaScript throws a reference error. To understand this better, think about hoisting. JavaScript moves variable and function declarations to the top of their scope during the compilation phase. But how it handles these declarations depends on how you declare the variable. Variables declared with var are hoisted and initialized to undefined right away. That means you can access them before their declaration without an error, but the value will be undefined. However, variables declared with let and const are also hoisted, but they are not initialized. They stay in an uninitialized state until the code reaches their declaration line. This period where they are in memory but cannot be used is called the temporal dead zone. If you try to access a let or const variable before it's declared, JavaScript will throw a reference error because it's still in the TDZ. The TDZ begins at the start of the block scope, like inside curly braces, and ends once you declare and initialize the variable. After that, you can use the variable normally. This behavior encourages better coding habits because it prevents you from accidentally using variables before they are ready. It helps avoid bugs caused by undefined or unexpected values. In web development, understanding the TDZ is important. Always declare and initialize your let and const variables before you use them. Remember that let and const do not allow access before declaration because of the TDZ, unlike var. Use const when you want a variable that should not change, and let for variables that might change later. Both benefit from block scope and the protections the TDZ offers. Knowing about the TDZ helps you write clearer, more predictable JavaScript code. It reduces errors related to variable access and scope. So, next time you're coding, keep in mind that the TDZ is there to help you avoid mistakes by making sure variables are only used after they are properly declared and initialized.